Accuracy and reliability are the cornerstones of the dosimetry services we provide here at Landauer. Nothing is more important to us than providing dosimeters and reports that you can count on each and every time. Let's meet some of the folks whose work supports our dedication to quality.
So all OSL rolls go through testing of the radiological properties. The testing starts with annealing the roll underneath bright lights to wipe any dose off and make sure that when the testing begins, there's 0 dose in the dosimeter. Afterwards, it is brought to our in-house calibrations lab where it is exposed to a known dose. After exposure, the roll is tested and analyzed to make sure that the radiological properties, such as sensitivity, are consistent throughout the length of the roll. After the sensitivity has been determined, that information can be printed on the roll to ensure traceability once the roll is cut into detector-sized elements. And then after that, it goes through one last anneal to remove that known dose to make sure that the material is doseless when it is assembled into customer materials.
What you're viewing is our two-piece machine. Our two-piece machine has both a front and a back of our dosimeters. This is what's inside of a Luxel badge. Each time a Luxel badge is made, the OSL material is serialized with lot numbers, type specific to each roll. Within each roll, the machine cuts the exact same size of OSL material so that it fits perfectly and snugly inside of the front and the back of the two pieces to form a filter pack. This is, again, what's on the inside of a Luxel dosimeter. We are going to start with our packaging, and what you're viewing right now is badges as they come right off the press, and they're placed 5 at a time right onto our Playcon sheets. Each sheet holds 25 badges, and the machine individually places 5 badges at a time in each row. Each badge is serialized and customized to the individual customer and company or hospital or university that is utilizing the badges. That protects us from cross-contamination and knowing that each individual customer has all of their own readings for each individual badge. As each tray of badges comes off of the machine, each badge is visually inspected to ensure the serial number all falls in line, and then images are clearly indicated on the front. The images are viewable, the names are readable, and we don't have any mistakes or ink blots, and the serial numbers fall specifically right in the middle of our dialog box on the back.
From our receiving department within the Landauer laboratory, we're going to load our Luxel dosimeters into magazines to be transitioned into our Luxel analysis department within our light-sensitive darkroom. Our Luxel dosimeters are all loaded into magazines with a uniquely identifiable barcode to reinforce chain of custody.
To ensure consistency and reliability of our Luxel dosimetry result, the Landauer laboratory commits itself to quality. How do we achieve that? We have rigorous training protocols for our technicians in both the laboratory and data review. We also have a calibration system. In our Luxel laboratory, we calibrate our readers every 12 hours. And finally, it's a commitment to quality for each of us to understand every shift and every day that we put every dosimeter first, just as important as the next and the last.
As you can see from our dedication to quality, Landauer is the gold standard for radiation dosimetry services. I'm so proud of our team and their commitment to excellence each and every day. Thank you.